Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I would like to show you a new feature of Shoot Pro that's going to be available in Shoot Pro 1.1.0 and above. This feature is going to allow you to generate a report with all of the information that you would need to send to the ATA and PITA with only a couple of clicks. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to go to the Reports menu, and then you're going to go to number 17, ATA PITA Final. Give it a second to open. Once it's open, click on Save File. Now that this screen is up, select where you'd like to save the file. For my demonstration today, I am going to just save it to the desktop. Now I'm going to click Save. Since the file already exists, I'm going to select Yes to replace the file. Now I'm going to sit back, relax, and wait for this to work. It should only take a couple of moments. Now that the report is complete, I can see this message letting me know that everything is complete. I'm going to select OK. Now the program will automatically close. Next, we will need to email this to the ATA or PITA. Alright, so now we're going to send an email to the ATA or PITA. First things first, I'm going to open my web browser. Because I use Gmail, I'm going to go to gmail.com. Now, for this example, I'm going to be sending the file to the ATA. If you are submitting your results to the PITA, please use the email address on the bottom of the screen. You can also find this in the manual as well as the description below. Alright, so now I'm going to click Compose. I'm going to take this to be full screen. And now I'm going to send the email to results@shootata.com. Now I'm going to click on the little paperclip to attach the file. Now I'm going to go to the desktop and select ATA PITA and click Open. Now, as always, I'm going to fill in a subject line and the body of the email. Since this is just an example shoot, I'm going to say example shoot results. Hello, here are the results from my example shoot. Now I'm going to click send. And that's all it takes to send data to the ATA or PITA in Shoot Pro 1.1+. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportsoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.